Discover the perfect balance of peaceful living and urban convenience at the Preserve at Meadow, nestled in the lakeside town of Cornelius, North Carolina. Enjoy commutability to uptown Charlotte, yet a peaceful setting to build your dream home. This inviting community is set on 6 acres of lush green space, offering plenty of room to breathe and unwind. Future outdoor community amenities will enhance your lifestyle, creating spaces to connect with neighbors or simply enjoy the surroundings. For those who love the outdoors, Cornelius delivers. Take leisurely strolls along lakefront trails, let your pets roam at nearby dog parks, or spend weekends exploring all that Lake Norman has to offer. This is a town that embraces a pet-friendly, active lifestyle where every day feels like a getaway. At the Preserve at Meadow, you'll find more than just a home. You'll discover a laid-back lakeside vibe with easy access to city excitement. Come experience the harmony of nature and convenience in one of Cornelius's most desirable communities. Build your new home at the Preserve at Meadow.